what I did was, since I curated the event, I told everybody anything that you sell, I get 50%. Throughout the whole event that weekend, we ended up doing over 10 million. My 50% was 5 million.
So at this point, bro, you living the dream life. I mean, you got the house, you got a silly watch on today. What you rocking?
Today I got on the Audemars Piguet. That's
Flooded.
the Glacier. Yeah, that's the Glacier.
What would you say to somebody that's at that stage you were at 23? What would you say to somebody that's at that point where they feel like life's not going for them and they're trying to make it out of that?
Stay the course of who you are. Stay fly. I tell people that you have to live where you want to go. You have to live in your future. Don't live in your present. And so always carry that on yourself, because you won't be able to fit in to where you want to go. All the work you're doing, but you don't fit in the rooms that you actually working to get in, because you thinking that you can't be who you really want to be. Be fly. It's okay. Don't think that lifestyle marketing is fake. I'm marketing a lifestyle that I really live. I got a pink slip to every car that's here. I really live this life. And the cool part about it is that my apartment was fly. I made sure it was best. I didn't live out of tubs. I made sure I got a dresser. It was never live below my means. It was always live to make me feel good and look good for my self-esteem. I presented that to the world, and my dreams and far succeeded what I ever planned on, and I'm still that dude. That's why I'm him, not them.